Today, we're going to be focusing on the three fundamental building blocks of the web: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you're a beginner looking to delve into coding, then understanding these three concepts is very, very crucial. By the end of this video, you should be able to know and understand the concepts, the use, and the role of HTML, of CSS, and of JavaScript, and of course, how they all come together to make things work. But before we delve right in, my name is Bimsola. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech and coding content. Let's start with HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the standard markup language of the web. It is basically the backbone of the web. HTML utilizes tags and elements to structure the content the user sees on the screen. For instance, the P tag displays a paragraph and the IMG tag displays images, while the button tag displays a button. Ultimately, we can think of HTML as a set of instructions guiding the content displayed on a web page. Let's move on to CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. While HTML structures content, CSS enhances its visual appearance. CSS is the design language of the web. CSS applies design rules to HTML elements, making them visually appealing. Without CSS, our websites will look bland and ugly. If I want to make this website look more appealing and visually attractive, all I have to do is add some CSS styling to it. Finally, JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language that brings interactivity and functionality to your website. It enables dynamic behavior in such a way that the user is able to communicate with the website, and the website is also able to read that, understand that communication, and respond back to the user. JavaScript elevates the website from just being static to being dynamic. And JavaScript is a very versatile language. It can be used in front-end web development and also in back-end web development. So all three of these technologies work together to create like a complete web experience. Have HTML, CSS, JavaScript in your toolkit. You are basically ready to create compelling websites. While HTML structures content, CSS improves the appearance of content, and then JavaScript introduces interactivity. So basically, HTML is what you see. CSS is what you see in a more beautiful way, in a more visually presenting way. And JavaScript is not just what you see, but what you can engage, what you can speak to, and can speak back to you. So whether you are a beginner just starting in web development or you're an experienced developer, mastering these three tools, they're like, you can't bargain it. They are very important. They are like foundational basics. So if you're looking to get into web development as a beginner or even as an experienced developer, it is very essential that you learn how to use these three tools and you have them in your toolkit. They are like very, very important. They are foundational basics that you're going to need so much in the long run.